Hello everyone, welcome back to day 15 lecture. So today we are going to integrate with Slack in order to send push notifications right after every successful or failure build. In this way, development team or any team, they would be notified immediately the build is done. All right, so let's get started guys. So this is the workflow that we are trying to achieve. So as soon as development team commits the code into GitHub, our GitHub Actions CI/CD workflow will be, kickstarting, and it will check out the code, it will do all the work, and then finally once the build is done, it will send push notification back to development team. All right, so let's quickly go through the prerequisites. So if you look at the prerequisites, yes, we need to have Slack workspace configured, and we also need to have our Java project configured. So this is a Java project that we have integrated in our previous lecture, and this is the Slack workspace, and then this is the channel where we are going to send push notifications. All right, so we are going to use this particular action from GitHub Actions marketplace. So if you see here, we are going to use this particular actions in order to send notifications. So this is actually pretty straightforward, it's not really complicated. So all you have to do is just create that Slack webhook and then use that URL, right? So that's it. And then this is how you can actually send notifications. Okay, so how do you get this Slack webhook URL, right? So let's find out. So we need to go to apislack.com, and this is where we have to create an app, and let's select this from the scratch, and then let's give some name. So I'm going to give my Slack integration, right? And then select the workspace, click on create an app, and then click on incoming webhooks, make it on, and then add a new webhook. And then we have to select our channel, learn DevOps 60 days, and then copy the webhook URL. All we have to do is go ahead and then create a secret or variable, right? So let's create a repository secret, and that's the webhook URL, and it has to be Slack webhook URL, right? Save it, add. Fantastic. So go to the code. So we have already integrated various tools from our GitHub Actions. So now we just need to integrate with Slack. So this is how you would do it, right? You just have to copy and paste. That's it. Okay. So click on commit changes. You're gonna say added Slack integration. Click on commit changes. So as soon as you actually commit the code, this should go ahead and then trigger the build. Wow. Okay, I see some warning here. Looks like we need to configure this as an environment variable. I think I did not do that yet. That's my mistake. So yeah, I think we missed this one. Sorry about that. Let me add this environment variable, which will be used in the workflow. So we have to add the environment variable over here. Perfect. Okay. All right, so we made a code change. So this should trigger the build immediately. Okay, so we got the build status of success to Slack. So let's go to Slack. Wow, did you all hear the sound? There you go, guys. So we got the notification, right? And you can actually click on here in order to go back to GitHub Actions workflow. There you go. So yes, so this is how, guys, you can integrate Slack with GitHub Actions in order to send push notification. Thank you for watching this video. Looking forward to see you all in the next upcoming lecture. Thank you.